Hello everyone, cheers for returning. So, in front of us we've got the new Kitbox PZY GR Yaris Kamazi combo version. I'm not much of a Japanese sort of style builder. Done a few. I sort of try and stick to the Europeans, that's where I feel more comfortable. But must admit, this kit does look good from the pictures I've seen. So what we'll do is we'll just go through, do a quick unboxing. Literally all I've done is just cut the tab, I haven't opened it yet. So what you see is what I see for the first time as well. So box is normal Kitbox PZY. So on the end you've got one style in red, and then on the other side you've got the show version. I did look this up online to sort of get an idea of what it is. So have a look inside. So it has come with instructions, which is good. They are available on ScaleMates to download anyway, which I'll probably do because I do like working off my phone at the moment with the instructions. So box looks well packed. We've got 2 different style wheels and center lugs as well. Couple of different style wing mirrors. We'll go over a few of the bits once we've got it all unboxed. What we got, 2, 4, 6 seats. So it looks like it's going to be a nice sort of customization choice. That looks like interior. It's all dash. Outer rims for another set of wheels. Third set of wheels, so definitely some wheel options. Body's well packed, everything's looking good so far. And it looks like there's some goodies inside the body. Black seat belts. Little tyre valves are in there, and I'm not sure what that is. We'll find out in a minute. And then headlights and rear lights. By the looks of it, we might have had a little accident. Yeah, it looks like one of the rear lights is broken, but it shouldn't be much of an issue to fix. And then hidden in the bottom of the box, these are always tight to get out, is windows and plenty of PE by the looks of it. Oh, I've gone for tint on the windows again, which is nice. I did like that on the, so one of the other kids have just built the Ferrari, one of the Ferraris had tint in the windows. I do like that feature. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll get bits and pieces out and then we'll go over what there is. Right, so we've got everything laid out now. It's definitely a little bit of customization with this kit. So you've got the choice of, well, it looks at 3 options. You've got the Tokyo show car, which has got a really big front wing and a bit more aero on it. You've got the choice of the time attack version, or you've got the choice of the show car in red, or the street version, should I say, sorry, in red. I'm not sure what I'm going to go with yet. It may be a sort of mix of the 3. I am quite liking the street version. It hasn't got such a large front wing on it. Rear wing's slightly smaller as well, so it may be that. I'm not sure yet, because you've got a mix of carbon as well. So on the show one, it's got like a checkered flag carbon. On the street, it's got a sort of like the sort of standard, well, across the standard version. So I may mix and match the two. I might end up putting the show carbon on the street one. I don't know yet, but yeah. So we've got everything, or most of everything out. So we'll just have a quick look over sort of the major parts really. So seats, got 3 versions of the seats. Got a sort of bog standard version and then sort of like 2 race versions. So all 3 do look quite nice. So the beauty of these kits is you can build it to instructions, or you can build it how you want to build it. Wheels, so I've got 3 different style wheels. Got nice chrome sort of bodies, and then a separate insert that goes from behind. And then you've got 2 other versions, and they have got a different tread pattern on them as well. And the tread patterns are really nice. They're nice and deep and sort of crisp as well. And this one has tyre markings on it as well. So that's that lot. And then by the looks of it, got the locators for the wheels that should fit all 3 types. Let me just see if I can do it without breaking anything. Yeah, so they'll go in. Might just need a little bit of opening up. Yeah, some of the holes just need a little bit of opening up. But so they're your locations for the wheels, which would be nice because you can paint them up, sort of anodise them. You've got chrome headlights, which I do like the way they chrome them. That saves a lot of time. Brakes, so there's 1 style brake, and then separate calipers. They include 3 of each, which is good. And you've got PE discs, other little bits and pieces. So there's 2 different style wheels, steering wheels, sorry. So you've got the sort of standard, or you've got a PE version. There's a roll cage included, which is pre-made to shape, which is quite nice. Where are we? I was a little bit confused about this, but looking through the instructions, that apparently is a sun visor, goes in the rear. Where are we? It's got inserts for the door cards to be sort of painted up separately, which is good. So with the interior, they give you the choice of 2. So I suppose if you're going for the street version, you've got the separate seats. If you're going for the track version, you've got a solid back. Again, 2 different style wing mirrors. Dash comes in a few pieces. That'd be nice and easy to paint, glue together. There's your center console, or your center screen, should I say. Assuming it's sort of sitting that way around. And there's your center hub for your steering wheel, so with the PE parts. And then rear bits that were included inside the car. So by the looks of it, you've got, so that's your show rear wing, large rear wing, all resined up. It's a little bit thin, but it's all in one piece, which is, it was in one piece, now it is still in one piece. And you've got a smaller wing there. A few of these bits I'm still not sure on, but I'll work it out as we go. And then you've got your two style front splitters. So what's it? That's just, I think that's your street version, and then that's your show one. So with it being slightly wider, there's some PE parts to go on there as well. Just re-diffuse that, and then the actual body shell itself. So this will all have a wash, but it's nice crisp detail in there. I do like the back end, I like the shape of the Yaris. This goes, yeah, there's details for like your rivets in your front end. Yeah, no, all looks good and clean. I say I'm not sure what version I'm going to do yet. Yeah, so with the PE we've got plenty to choose from. So you got your wing mirrors, Toyota badges, centers for your steering wheel, your rear wings, or your rear wing supports, and they look like your end plates for your front wings. It looks like could be a handbrake. And then we've got your number plate. It's nice to include two different style floor mats, your brakes, all your seatbelt parts, your mountings for your seats. So I'm trying to work this out as I'm going along. More brake parts, wheel centers, plenty of grills, a little bit of photo etch bending to do depending on which variety you do. I think this is all for the either the drift or the show car. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. So yeah, that's everything sort of kit wise, other than the decals. We'll do them last. So instruction wise, so you've got your kit layout, what's included in your kit, and then here you go. So tells you which parts you need for the show car. So you've got exclusively just the exterior parts, and the interior, that's for all of them. It says about your carbon, so your checker carbon or your twill carbon, and it says on here, so if you're doing C, which is show car, it says about engraving for the headlight, which I think was a PE template. We just see, yeah, that one there, PE template. If you're doing C again, about cutting the rear wing straight, so it must be that one. Yeah, and just add in other bits and pieces. So you two different style steering wheels. You've got your standard for A and C, or you've got your PE one for B, and B is your time attack car. Dash layout. So that, yeah, so you got the gear stick there. So I think that's that bit that I wasn't too sure about. It's a nice sort of metal turn gear stick. Yeah, so that's everything interior wise. That looks sort of fairly simple. And then exterior wise, got your brakes, so your three different style wheels, so got a choice. So C is using the chrome, A and B, choice of the two. Fortunately there's no resin wipers on this, so it is PE wipers. Yeah, everything looks fairly simple. So it's nice that they explain what they're doing. So you've got So I'm just looking as we go. So saying about the rear wing, A and B. Right, yep. So that one there is the rear wing for A and B for the show car or the time attack, and then you've got the smaller one, which is for the street version, which will have end plates. Uh, 75, 76. Just those two there. So they must go on the front then. Yeah, 73, 74. So they go on the front. So yeah, so that's everything that's included in the kit. Sort of like quickish look over. Let's get the decals out. Right, so we got 3 large sheets and a couple of smaller ones for your decals. So your 2 different style carbon here. So you got your twill weave and then your checkered for your roof and other parts. They're printed really nicely. So I'm not sure if they're going to be swappable between. We'll see. And then this one, you've got the same again. Rear wings. Other aero parts, your wing supports. 2 different styles in there as well. And then the colourful sheets. So you got your seat backs, your number plates, a couple of sun strip, tyre decals, and then you've got your large metallic G-force ones, and your little lab vans, and there's your interior decals. By the looks of it, depending on which one you go, you got some black street version ones there as well. So you got your time attack decals there, for your numbers. Pick them up. Seatbelt harness ones. Your wheels, a couple of other little details, and you got your metallic, your wing mirrors, rear view mirror, and then your Toyota badges and your GRs. And then these ones jumped at me when I pulled them out. You've got another sheet of metallic, but you've got a couple of colourful ones. So you've got just a standard sort of silver or chrome, and then you've got a holographic style one. So depending on the light, you've got your blues, your greens, which do look quite nice. Can't quite see which version they're for. But yeah, so that's all your decals. So that was a look over the kit. Not sure when this one's going to get built. Hopefully it's soon. I have got one other on the bench at the moment, which I need to get finished, and then this may be up next. So thank you very much for looking, and I will speak to you all soon.